Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. This avoids delays. First, verify your TV model and that the remote has fresh batteries so commands register. Make sure the set is powered and displays the home screen. If the remote is flaky, have an IR adapter, USB keyboard, or the manufacturer's phone app ready to control the TV. Once done, press the settings or menu button. You're beginning the practical sequence to exit safe mode. Don't skip this first actionable step. You now move into the core steps. From settings, go to System or General. Manufacturers hide safe mode under Troubleshooting or Boot options. Once located, select Exit Safe Mode or toggle it off and confirm any prompts. This writes the change to system memory. If safe mode controls aren't visible, try accessing recovery by holding the TV's physical power and volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds, or use the remote's menu plus back sequence. Make sure to wait while the TV restarts fully. You finish by confirming the exit and handling failures. After selecting Exit Safe Mode, let the TV reboot completely and check that apps, inputs, and picture behave normally. If safe mode persists, update firmware or perform a factory reset from settings. Backup preferences where possible because reset erases custom settings. As a quick troubleshooting tip, disconnect all HDMI devices and try again, or use an alternate remote or the phone app to rule out input faults. If none work,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.